Crypto arbitrage, it sounds complex, but it might just be the easiest way to make money with cryptocurrencies. Welcome to the ultimate guide that will transform you from a crypto novice into an arbitrage expert. In this video, I'll demystify crypto arbitrage, explain how it works, show you why it's so lucrative, and guide you on how to start profiting from it today. Imagine a time when you could buy something cheap in one place and sell it for a higher price elsewhere. That's arbitrage in a nutshell. Let's call this stage 1. You find price differences and capitalize on them to make a profit. Simple, right? Now, let's see how this magic works with cryptocurrencies. Stage 2. Crypto arbitrage. Cryptocurrency prices can differ across various exchanges. Picture this: Bitcoin is priced at $40,000 on exchange A but $40,500 on exchange B. This $500 difference is your profit opportunity. By buying Bitcoin on exchange A and selling it on exchange B, you pocket the difference. This is the essence of crypto arbitrage. Stage 3. Different types of crypto arbitrage. The most common is spatial arbitrage, buying on one exchange and selling on another. Then there's triangular arbitrage, involving 3 cryptocurrencies. For example, you trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, Ethereum for Litecoin, and Litecoin back to Bitcoin, profiting from the price differences. Finally, statistical arbitrage uses algorithms and trading bots to automatically exploit price discrepancies. Stage 4. Getting started. Ready to dive in? Here's what you need: multiple accounts on reputable exchanges, sufficient funds in each account, and price tracking tools or arbitrage calculators to spot opportunities. Speed is critical, as the crypto market moves fast. Make sure you're set up for quick, efficient trades. So where does spatial arbitrage fit in? Welcome to stage 5, the simplest form of arbitrage. You identify price differences between 2 exchanges and execute trades almost simultaneously to lock in profits. This can be highly profitable if you act quickly and efficiently. Why is everyone excited about crypto arbitrage? For starters, it's low risk if done correctly. Imagine profiting without waiting for price hikes or falls. You capitalize on price inefficiencies. Plus, the decentralized nature of crypto means there are numerous opportunities across various exchanges worldwide. Here's the magic: crypto arbitrage benefits from blockchain's inherent transparency and security. If you're trading within the same cryptocurrency, blockchain technology ensures that transactions are secure and traceable, minimizing the risk of fraud. It sounds complex, but for many, it's simpler than traditional trading. With internet access, you can use crypto arbitrage even without a traditional bank account. This opens up financial opportunities to millions globally. Crypto's main perk? Independence from banks. You can make international transactions almost instantly, without worrying about bank fees, exchange rates, or interest rates. This makes crypto arbitrage a highly attractive option for many traders. Let's dive into the tools you need. Price tracking tools like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko are essential. They show real-time prices across different exchanges. Arbitrage calculators help you quickly determine potential profits after fees. For serious traders, automated trading bots can execute arbitrage strategies faster than any human could. Stage 6. Understanding risks. Crypto arbitrage isn't risk-free. Transfer fees between exchanges can eat into your profits. Network congestion can delay transactions, causing you to miss the price window. Some exchanges have withdrawal limits or slow trade processing, and prices can change rapidly. Always be prepared and have a strategy. How do you manage these risks? Keep funds ready in multiple exchanges to avoid transfer delays. Use exchanges with low fees and fast transaction times. Monitor market conditions and news closely to stay ahead of major price movements. Diversify your strategies to minimize the impact of any single risk. Let me share my journey. I started with a modest amount, focusing on spatial arbitrage across 3 exchanges. In my first month, I made a 10% profit. Over time, by diversifying and staying updated with market trends, I saw consistent growth in my portfolio. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but my journey into the exciting world of crypto arbitrage. Now, the challenges of arbitrage. The market is highly competitive, with many traders and bots constantly seeking opportunities, making it harder to find profitable trades. Regulations can affect your ability to trade across regions, and market volatility can turn potential profits into losses if prices swing during transactions. Let's address some misconceptions. Some believe arbitrage is risk-free. While it's lower risk compared to other trading strategies, it's not without challenges. Transfer fees, network delays, and sudden market changes can impact your profits. It's crucial to understand these aspects before diving in. Crypto's quirks? Advanced strategies like triangular and statistical arbitrage can offer higher profits but require more expertise. Triangular arbitrage involves multiple trades to exploit price differences between three cryptocurrencies. Statistical arbitrage uses complex algorithms to identify price patterns. These strategies can be lucrative but need a deeper understanding and more sophisticated tools. The world of crypto arbitrage is fascinating and full of opportunities. Share this video if you found it useful and help a friend or family member get started. For more advanced trading strategies and tips, check out our next video. I'm Adabra, and this is Verve Vector. Happy trading!